All right, folks, good afternoon. Hey, it's Sunday, and I was just out here walking down this road here, I don't know, 2-3 videos ago. So I've come back out here, see if the bite has picked up any, hopefully. You know, I caught a couple smallmouth the last time over here. Some bluegill and stuff, but just hoping it's picked up more. But anyway, let me get up here and see where we're gonna get started at, and we'll get to it. See you when you get there. All right, I've got this Joe's Flies on here. I've had to put 2 split shot on it because this thing is very lightweight. There he is. There's the first fish right there. But it's so lightweight, it doesn't weigh anything. Well, there's our first one. Thank you, buddy. But maybe it's what they were wanting. If you already seen my last video, you already know what happened to the other Joe's Fly I had. Hit that tree limb and just destroyed that thing. I've never seen a lure come apart like that, but it sure did. There he is. Alright, calm down. There he is, there's number 2. Alright guys, I've got a monster. This is huge. Ah, that is so cool. Thank you there, little buddy. All right, I got this little Joe's Fly on here again. I only put 1 split shot on it. May have to do 2. Nope, there's one. Teeny tiny guy. Thank you, buddy. My guess is there should be something around that large rock that is submerged. There's one. Finally, another fish. There we go, a little bit bigger anyway. Look at the tail on that one, it's red. Ones I've been catching were orange looking. There's one. Oh. Oh well. I seen him. Hope y'all did. There's one. Oh, a chub. Different species. Creek chub. There's a fish. Nope. There's one. There he is. There's a fish. Rock bass. There you go. Thank you, buddy. There he is. Another red eye. Stop. Just skin hooked that thing. Thank you, buddy. There he is. There he is. Thank you, buddy. You know, these things may be closer than what I think. Most of them, anyway. Just got to let it sink down. And then again, maybe not. There he is. Yeah. Bunch of little red eyes. There's one. Ah, I missed it. I guess they could be following it all the way out. There he is. There he is. This is a little better one here. Oh yeah, a nice red eye. He's fat. Got a belly on you, bud. Thank you, buddy.